And then there's the reindeer. Little pep in your step here. Christmas holiday. We got the rush. Face down.
All right.
Let's do it. I gotta get home and wrap some presents. Let's come on up. One more, back to shopping.
Merry Christmas.
Done. Merry Christmas. Next.
Hi.
Hi. Well, we're going right here.
Oh, we're going here?
Oh, we're going here.
Okay.
Do you know Santa? Face me, please, on your side. That's not on your side.
On my side.
The other side. Are things different in the North Pole?
Yeah, they are.
Okay. Good. Other side. Did you get your 7 forms of, what is it? Sugar? Candy? Candy corn? You're not going to fall. I won't let that happen. Candy? Candy corn? Syrup? What are they all? Come on, you're supposed to know these. There you go. Tell Santa we said hello.
I will.
Next. Hello. Face down, please. And all the way out. Very good. Face me. All right. How's the office treating you?
Great.
Oh, noisy. Beautiful. Think we have Faith figured out. You're welcome. Merry Christmas. And then there's the reindeer. The reindeer just sprained an ankle. Looks like they are going to need Rudolph after all, huh? Big breath in and out. Nice. Face down here. Which reindeer are you?
Baby.
Bambi? Pretty sure Bambi doesn't pull the sled. There you go. Merry Christmas. Make sure you stop and see all the kids.